Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Inshallah, continuing our journey through the Quranic Arabic. This one is a slightly a short lesson, but I want to just highlight something so that it's known to people. And more details can be sought in other books, even online resources might be discussing this. I'm just going to introduce the concept here in the second portion. The first portion I want to talk about, so indefinite nouns, you have now, alhamdulillah, if you go back to the previous lessons, like I said, you will be able to get the details on the indefinite nouns. For the definite noun, I wanted to just point out that Allah is a definite noun. Okay, so that's something, if because it's a name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I wanted to address it separately. So Allah is a definite noun. Now, in terms of definite nouns, I want to take you into a slight digression, or maybe a way to read it, which is important when you're reciting the Quran, even, or you're reading any Arabic. And that is, it comes naturally to people, but it's this division is in what's called the sun letters and the moon letters, and I will explain quickly here the distinction. Like I said, it really comes naturally to people, but I just wanted to highlight it, and you will find the discussion in a few books of Arabic, so I wanted to just cover it here. So, for instance, moon letters, and there's a whole list of them. Like I said, please consult a book, textbook on the subject, or even if you Google it, probably you'll find it, and then you'll naturally be able to confirm that through your reading. The other one is sun letters. So when they come in the definite nouns, when you're reading them, then they're read differently. So look how this is al-kitab, right? So it's very easy. Alif lam's coming, kaf is separated, so when you read it, it's al-kitabu. And the difference you'll see is when you read ar-rasulu. So ar-rasulu, you can see that the way, if I was to write it in English, you will see the distinction is, this is al-kitabu, but this one is going to be ar-rasulu. So that's how it's going to be read. So al-kitabu ar-rasulu. These are sun letters. There's several of them that come. I just brought the ra as an example. So because you can see, it's going to be difficult to say al-rasulu, and it has to do with where the word in the pronunciation of the word comes from. But I wanted to point out, so you won't say al-rasulu. You will say, because it's difficult in any case, you're going to say ar-rasulu. You're going to merge the lam and the ra. And the same, while it comes to moon letters, it's al-kitabu, because the place of pronunciation in the mouth is different, therefore it's easier to pronounce. That's really a matter of reading, not so much so dealing with the grammar of it per se, but it's a discussion related to the definite noun. Therefore, I brought it here. Inshallah, this carry that, and we will proceed with the next lessons in the future and talking more about the nouns. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.